Hey everyone, I'm here to do another unboxing. So I'm not just crazy. I'm not just this crazy lady going shopping just because I can. It's actually for my birthday season. See that season? So I'm going a little crazy, but I did pick up some items. This is from Louis Vuitton. Look how cute this packaging is. So I have two bags here. This is just, they just put it in a bag. But I did get my Speedy 30 in the giant monogram right here. Hot stamped. Let me see. Let me get up close and personal. It's a D with the heart. So it's just gonna go like that. Super cute. And then what I have in the other bag, so fun, the holiday collection, the holiday packaging. There's actually no holiday packaging in this one except for the bag. Weird. But in here I have my proof of purchase, my receipt. Put that in there. And then do you guys have any guesses? Take the ribbon off, and it's just a drawer pull box, and it is, ta-da, the Louis Vuitton hoop earrings. Oh, they're so cute. So pretty. I'm really digging this. So pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna put it on so I can show you guys. I am very much a hoop girl, and I am very much a gold person. I love gold. Gold just goes with everything. It's yellow. My skin complexion is yellow, so I'm all for the yellow. You guys see? So pretty. Ah, and these retailed for $660, and these are called the Loews, however you say that. And then I have this package right here that was overnighted to me by my essay. Why do I feel so pale in this lighting? Anyways, oh, so this is what the box looks like. Comes in this. And do you guys have any guesses? Ta-da! So this is from Chanel. Open this box. Oops, it just fell. Some care instructions. It says Chanel right there. So exciting. Do you guys have any guesses? Ta-da! Oops. So cute. Okay. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, is it just me or is this crooked? What the heck? Let me see. Does it look crooked to you guys, this L? Okay, anyways, this is made in Italy. Here is the style code for you guys. So excited. Okay, let me try these on now. They're so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.